Hey Kim, you want some durian? This one right here?
I think I don't.
Wow, it's really good.
Yeah, look.
Wow. Right here, what's the name?
In Thai?
Yes. อันนี้อะไรครับ Salad. Green mango. More green mango. Orange. Yellow mango. Passion fruit. All kinds of fruit. Coconut. 35 baht, which is like $1. So this is 320 baht, samloy yisip, which is like about $10. So pretty good. Get a big old fresh durian in the beginning of the season. And as you can see, she's cutting this open with gloves because you got to be very careful. The spikes will definitely get you if you don't watch out. Wow, look at that, beautiful. So beautiful. Suai mak mak. Woo. What can I touch?
Wait.
So right now we are in Chiang Mai, and okay, ครับคุณครับอีทุเรียนของอะไรครับ
ของระยอง
ระยอง จันทบุรีระยอง มอนทอง a little baby one, but still good. So have some fresh durian, first of the season right here. This is from Rayong. One of Thailand's best things in the world. Durian. It's like a sweet butterscotch, brown sugar, and even sometimes if you can get one that's really fresh, it even has hints of like coffee. It's just a remarkable fruit. Some people don't like it because of the smell. I think the smell is delicious. It smells amazing, and it also tastes amazing. So durian for your health.